Union Cabinet approves proposal for simultaneous election in India. India achieved high-level compliance across all recommendations. Federal funding was stopped. Sports news: Ravichandran Ashwin and Ravindra Jadeja recorded performance leveraged India in first innings of the first test against Bangladesh. Today's weather news: conditions in Kanpuram, maximum 37 degrees Celsius temperature, minimum 27 degrees Celsius temperature. Thank you.